Welcome to my channel Chemistry Class. Morning everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. And today's lecture we are going to study a very important topic from chemical bonding, which is ionic bond. My dear student, we will understand what an ionic bond is, how it forms, and we will check also two examples of ionic bonds. And the first one we check formation of sodium chloride, and the second one we check formation of calcium chloride. So now let's get started. Introduction to ionic bond, my dear student. An ionic bond is the electrostatic force of attraction between positively charged ions mean cation and negatively charged ions mean anions formed by the complete transfer of electrons from one atom to another. My dear student, it usually occur between metals and non-metals. Now, key points to be noted: metal atoms lost electrons to form cations. Non-metals atoms gain electrons to form anions. Opposite charges attract each other, forming a stable compounds. General formula in both metal plus non-metal and transfer of electron takes place, ionic compound is formed finally. So, these are general examples: atom 1 and atom 2. Atom 1 is metal while atom 2 is non-metal. Atom 1 lost electrons while atom 2 gained these electrons. So, a cation and anion is formed and oppositely charged attract each other, and finally ionic molecules are formed. So, formation of sodium chloride, NaCl. In the formation of sodium chloride, step 1 is electronic configuration. The electronic configuration of sodium is sodium have atomic number as 11, so its electronic configuration is 281. While chlorine its atomic number as 17, so its electronic configuration is 287. And step 2, a tendency to achieve octet. So sodium loses one electron to achieve stable configuration, which is 2,8, while chlorine gains one electron to achieve stable configuration, which is 2,8,8. And step 3, electron transfer. Sodium lost electron from cation means sodium positive plus 1 electron loss, while chlorine gain these electrons and form anions mean Cl negative. And step 4, formation of ionic bond take place. Sodium positive and chlorine negative mean cation and anion attract each other and forming NaCl solid crystal lattice. So final reaction is Na plus Cl dash sodium positive plus chlorine negative mean sodium cation and chlorine chloride anion and form NaCl. Now, formation of calcium chloride. My dear student, and formation of calcium chloride, the first step is electronic configuration. Calcium atomic number is 20, so its electronic configuration is 2,8,8,2. While chlorine, its atomic number is 17, so its electronic configuration is 2,8,7. Now in step 2, a tendency to achieve octet, calcium loses 2 electrons to achieve stable configuration, 2,8,8. Each chlorine atom gains 1 electrons to achieve stable configuration, 2,8,8. And super electron transfer. Calcium loses 2 electrons forming cation mean calcium double positive, while chlorine gains these electrons from anions means negative. Now, in the fourth step, formation of ionic bond takes place. One calcium double positive ion attracts two Cl negative ions, forming calcium chloride. So, final reaction is calcium plus chlorine molecules form calcium double positive cation plus 2Cl negative anions and finally form calcium chloride. Now, characteristics of ionic compounds. My dear student, ionic compounds are solid at room temperature. Second one, high melting and boiling points. The third one is conduct electricity in molten or aqueous state. And the fourth one is soluble and polar solvents like water. Soluble in polar solvents like water. My dear student, this is all about today's lectures. I hope you understand. My dear student, if this lecture helped you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends and comment your questions below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.